Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 29th, 2022. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today and actually see why in the world would Dogecoin spike 15% just because Elon Musk is going to accept the currency for its SpaceX merchandise. Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price prediction. You guys can see already right now I got a price prediction on the chart for Dogecoin. Now, before I get started, if y'all appreciate my videos, my content as to me giving you all a heads up as to where price is anticipated to go ahead and join the team, join the community, hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe here to my channel. All right, because I definitely want to make sure that you all understand that this is not a complicated game, that you can actually predict where prices are going to go without the confusion and actually win. So I want you all to win. And in order for you to win, you need to join the team with the edge. And we got the edge here over here on YouTube. All right. So you guys can see it real quick. Let me show you the article. Article came out about 2 days ago. This one was written by Bob Mason, but there's a lot of other articles out regarding Dogecoin spiking, all because Elon Musk and SpaceX is going to accept the currency for its merchandise. You guys can see right there. Now he just sent out a tweet, right, that SpaceX is planning to accept Doge for merchandise payments, causing the spike. Now, the key word in that one sentence is planning, right? It's not for sure. It's not for certain. The market is, well, he's planning. So it just gave the market a little movement high right here, May the 27th, 2022. This is when the news was broke that Elon was going to be accepting Dogecoin for its SpaceX merchandise. Now, the market hasn't reacted that bad since then. You guys can see it. Market is still trending sideways. It couldn't hold the news though. This is one thing I really want people to understand in the market is that whatever news come out, you always got to come back and reference it to the price. And what did the market do? You guys can see on May the 27th, the price in Dogecoin closed off of the highs, right? The market closed off of the highs and the volume was heavy on that one day. So what really went on that day was more people was selling the news. It's just that simple. They don't really believe that what Elon tweeted about Dogecoin being accepted for merchandise for SpaceX is valuable information, right? Because if that was really positive news, positive information, the market in Dogecoin would have closed at the high, right there around 9 cents, but it didn't do it. So you may be wondering, okay, if that's the case, can Dogecoin still go down? Well, looking at the market right here on the daily time frame, you have these 2 days right here. Okay, yesterday, the 28th, and then today, the 29th. And the market so far hasn't reacted that bad, right? We're still seeing the market trend sideways. The market is not necessarily giving us that much weakness. We're still maintaining stability. So from my last price prediction, am I still looking for the price to go up in Dogecoin? So far I am. Nothing has changed. The overall environment in this market for Dogecoin is still one referencing movement to the upside. Looking at this on the 2-day, right? Look at this on the 3-day. Are you all seeing what I'm seeing? As long as the price in Dogecoin continue to do this, we're going to continue to keep our price prediction on the chart. We're not going to change it. There's no need for us to come in and try to alter what we see because nothing has changed dramatically to say, yeah, we need to cut this prediction and play the movement to the downside in Dogecoin. We don't see that yet. Now, as we approach the ending of this week or the start of this upcoming week, and we see the market continue to trade weak, then yeah, we'll come through and do another video and say, hey, the buyers didn't show up. And if the buyers don't show up, guess what? We don't show up neither. We play the downside then. All right. So looking at this on the 5-weekly chart, I haven't really changed the overall bias of how weak the market is in Dogecoin because it's still weak. You guys can still see how we ended on this last 5-weekly price bar. Yeah, that's still weak right there. So in the long-term perspective, don't expect, Dogecoin to make a monumental movement higher. Not yet. That 5-weekly price bar that the arrows pointed down to, it's not good. You wanted to see the market close at the high of that bar, but it didn't. So we are still leaning more towards the market in Dogecoin being bearish in the long term. Look at Dogecoin on the monthly. We got what, 2 days and 9 hours left, and I want you all to see that. Like, look how the market is trading for the month of May. It's not good. The market here is still trending down and still trending weak. So from that long-term perspective, I still want to put my community on guard about where Dogecoin is anticipated to go. It's still weak. Now, this is Dogecoin hourly time frame. All right. So before I go, if I see anything altering, anything different regarding where Dogecoin is trying to go, then I'll let it go. So right now, I'm not necessarily seeing a lot of weakness here in this particular market. We got our basis, our support price around 7 cents. So we're still good in that realm as well too. Okay. So I'm still going to go with us looking for price to go up in Dogecoin. I'm not necessarily sure why I had my original areas of price target. I think it was around 9.5 cents first, maybe 10 cents, and then up there towards 11. Those would be the 3 price targets. If go ahead and go back and listen to my last video. Like I said, it was done on May the 20th. So not that long ago, 9 days. Go back and listen to see what I said in terms of what I'm looking for price targets to be. Because if this market doesn't get any legs relatively soon, we're not going to go up there to 11 cents. Okay. Don't expect that to happen the longer that we see the market in Dogecoin trade down. Okay. We don't want to see the market begin to do this. Right. We don't want this to happen to where it continues to slightly and surely go down. We don't want to see that. What we want to see is this, to where the market really holds its strength, trades sideways like this, and then eventually goes up. That's the outcome that I'm looking forward to. If I don't get that relatively soon, then yeah, we're going to come in and alter this prediction. But so far, I'm not going to change. I'm not going to alter what I have on my chart. Okay. Let's look at this on the 5 months chart. Because you guys can see we got what, 2 days and 9 hours left. This is the extreme long term from my perspective, 5 months. Okay. And look at how the market looks right now in Dogecoin. I don't think a lot of people is expecting how low the price can go in Dogecoin in the next upcoming 5 months, because that's massively weak right there. Massively weak. I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market come down to the highs of these 5 monthly price bars. Something that we need to be thinking about. Something that you need to be planning for over the next 5 months. I don't want my community to be caught off guard. This is why so many become through and lose in the market, because they don't plan to expect these things to happen. I'm showing you all the 5 months charts right now, and I want you all to see that. This is the 3rd consecutive 5 monthly price bar where the market in Dogecoin has been coming down. That's what, 15 months? 15. The market has been going down in Dogecoin. So why would you want to be a bag holder in Dogecoin right now? As you continue to see these tweets of Elon and everyone else regarding Dogecoin and what they're going to accept as terms of payment for their products, and the market doesn't react to that, you got to question what's really going on in this space. But from this realm, the daily time frame, I'm still looking for the price to go up. All right, that's it. I'm done. I just wanted to come in and give y'all an update as to where I suspect the market in Dogecoin is about to go, and I still think it's going to go up. But don't forget those 3 price targets that I mentioned on my video on May the 20th. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, give me your price target, your price prediction in the market for Dogecoin as we approach the month of June.